two kids eat toast.
Gotta get me buttering the toast, buttering the toast, buttering the toast. Gotta get
You guys love Aaliyah's plate?
Yeah. And Aaliyah loves her plate.
Do you love your plate, Jeff?
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things is not like the other. What? Why is everybody looking at me?
Who said anybody's looking at you? You can't tell who I'm looking at. I'm looking at a computer screen. I'm looking at a computer screen.
You're looking at me.
I'm not looking at either of you.
Yes, you are. You're looking through the screen at one of us. She's definitely.
You have too much toast on that plate.
Really? I haven't noticed.
You don't have enough toast on your plate, Jess.
Enough?
Yeah.
This is what you always give me. This is what you always give me. 2 pieces of toast.
Why are you just digging in the butter?
I'm trying to get that whole huge piece like.
I don't think you can fit any more toast on there, Ellie.
Yes, you can. One more there. One more there. One more there.
I'm just saying, I don't know. It looks like it's overflowing right now.
Oh, how does it look like it's overflowing?
Look at it. It is overflowing your plate. I better get you a different one. Say bye.
Bye 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 bye.